Here are some simple competition maths MCQ questions with answers. What is the value of x if 2x plus 4 is equal to 10? Answer is 2. What is the value of y if 3y minus 7 is equal to 8? Answer is 5. What is the area of a square whose side length is 6 meter? Answer is 36 centimeter. What is the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 8 centimeter and width is 5 centimeter? The answer is 26 centimeter. What is the sum of the first 5 even numbers? The answer is 20. What is the value of x if 4x plus 3? The answer is 5. What is the area of a rectangle whose base is 8 cm and height is 6 cm? The answer is 30 cm. What is the perimeter of a square whose side length is 5 cm? The answer is 20 centimeter. What is the sum of the first 5 odd numbers? The answer is 15. What is the value of x if 3x minus 4 is equal to 5x plus 2? The answer is minus 2. Now the next question is in the next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.